welcome our dear viewers, our learners, boys and girls who attend lessons at English with Alan and Norbert on your YouTube channel. Today, this is your teacher and this is teacher Alan. I'm going to take you through yet another English lesson, and today we are going to talk about countable nouns that come with apostrophe. We want to see how they are changed to plural form. Let's go. So we are talking about plural forms of countable nouns with apostrophe. Countable nouns, these are nouns which we can count, like we count pens 1, 2, 3, 4. And still we have got uncountable nouns like sugar, salt, those which we do not count. We all know that a noun is a name of anything. So today we want to see when we change these countable nouns from singular form to plural form, what do they look like? Still, these drop the apostrophe when changed to plural form. These countable nouns which have got apostrophe within them, when changed to plural form, they drop the apostrophe. An apostrophe is a punctuation mark, as we are going to see. In our examples, we have 1, butchers. I have just decided to give you the meaning of each word so that you know what these words mean even before changing them to plural form. 1, butchers. Butchers is a place where meat is sold. It's called butchers, and the person who sells meat is called a butcher. 2, grocers. A place where groceries are sold. When we talk about groceries, these are food items, those shops where you go to buy food items like matoke, Irish, beans, peanuts, and the rest. 3rd, bakers. A place where bread is sold, and the person who sells bread is called a baker. Next, stationers. A place where stationery is sold. When I talk about stationery, what do I mean? I mean a place where you go to buy books, pens, pencils, rulers, and all what we use in class. Number 5, we have got doctors. A place where patients meet the doctor. You've heard of the doctor's parlor, the doctor's clinic. This is where patients go to meet the doctor. Number 6 and the last one is barbers. A place where people go to cut their hair short. Where you go to have your hair cut short. And the one who cuts your hair short is referred to as a barber. These nouns, butchers, grocers, bakers, stationers, doctors, and barbers, they are countable, and so they can change to plural form. When they change to plural form, what do they become? Here we go. In singular form, it is butchers, bakers, stationers, and we want to change them to plural form. When changed to plural form, butchers will drop this apostrophe and it becomes butchers without apostrophe. The pronunciation remains the same. Bakers, it will drop the apostrophe and it becomes bakers. Stationers, it drops the apostrophe and we maintain S and it becomes stationers, as I'm going to write them here. Let's go. So, when butchers drops the apostrophe, I've said it remains with its S and it becomes butchers. But remember, a person who sells meat is also called a butcher. Therefore, it serves two meanings now when it is in plural form. The places, it becomes places where meat is sold, and still people who sell meat. The same case with bakers, it has dropped the apostrophe, it is bakers. Still people a person who sells bread is called a baker. And in plural form of both the place where bread is sold and the person who bakes bread, it makes bakers. Still the same case to stationers. In plural form, when it has dropped the apostrophe, it becomes stationers. So, class, we are going to do this activity by changing these countable nouns to plural form. Give the plurals. 1, grocers. 2, doctors. 3, barbers. You can change them to plural form by dropping the apostrophe. So finally, that is the end of our lesson. That's how we change countable nouns with apostrophe to plural form. Still, we continue to call you upon to make sure that you subscribe to our channel. And our channel is English with Alan and Norbert. Go to YouTube, you'll find us, search and subscribe. Still, if you've done the activity and you want to make some inquiries, you can call us on number 0758 586554 or 07585 347652. Finally, thank you for viewing. Thank you for learning English with Alan and Norbert.